Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Foreman Farms. So today, well not today, 2 days ago, we're hauling my buddy's Farm All In back with his gooseneck, as you see there. And the old 12 valve, when we hooked up the gooseneck, for some reason, well right before we hooked it up, all the gauges in the truck died and everything. Never came back, so I wasn't sending the 12 volts to the alternator to tell it to charge. So we drove it back on no battery. Luckily it's got a mechanical fuel shut off, and the lift pump was the only thing running, which we found that out because the trans coolers weren't running and they were hot. But on a side note, we got a 200 amp battery charger on it. Jumper cable's hooked up to the Honda. This is the fuse that ruined my day. I need to haul scrap today, and this thing has no grid heater, no block heater, and it's 14 degrees out right now, so we're gonna give it another shot. This truck is extremely disappointing, I'll tell you that for the most part. If we had certain fluid, I'd be giving it everything it's got. Another part of the video, I'm gonna put all this into one. Another part on the video, we're going to polarize the battery on the Jubilee so we can load scrap onto the gooseneck. Then we'll go down to the scrapyard and everything and see how all that goes. But I'm gonna let this battery charge up for, I don't know, I'm gonna give it 5 minutes. Probably not because I'm impatient. But right before I start it, actually, we'll give it one more shot real quick. It's getting plenty of fuel, so we'll be back as soon as I feel that it's ready. All right, we're back. Let's see if this piece of junk starts. Everything's working again. Truck's not running good. There we go. She's needing a little cleaned out. So did the mosquitoes. Those are hot. Well, at least that's fixed and running. We'll let this thing sit here and run, get warmed up. Pull that off there, because now, look at that. All the voltage. Everything's working now. Even the oil pressure gauge is working. That's weird. But anyway, on to the next one. All right, now we're going to try and polarize this. So we polarized it. Now we gotta hook it back up and we'll check. 1 second. Well, that actually went a lot better than anticipated. And it's not showing that it's charging, but I had to put it on a 12 volt 200 amp start, so I think she's charged. Now it's time to clean up some junk. Alright guys, sorry I didn't get good video. The tractor broke. I had to load 90% of this stuff by hand. But we're headed to the scrapyard. A truck bed full of stuff. So stay tuned. I gotta run down the fuel station and go get some brake fluid. Truck's got fuel in it now, and now we're just waiting for the compressor to build air because it's got a low tire. That tire's a little low, so we'll get down here to the gas station and get some brake fluid in her and be on our way. All right, so we're back from the scrapyard. A little aggravated. Let's see what we got. We rolled in 15.2. Came back, we had 900 pounds of sheet metal. Paid us $58. We had short iron, a couple brake rotors and an axle, 13.7. Cast aluminum, 220 pounds, 22 bucks. We made $112. What really blew my mind was that the trailer and truck with nothing on it is $13.5. I don't even think it's a 30-foot trailer. And the Dodge did not like pulling it, but that could be because it might be low on transmission fluid. Other than that, at least the truck's running and driving now. So the F-150 is getting gone tomorrow. We'll probably do some cleaning up over there. There's a 3-bottom plow sitting over there and a couple other things. And then probably move the camper and all the hay equipment and stuff and pull it up here closer to the barn. But we might go get a skid steer. Borrow somebody's skid loader here for a little bit. I don't know yet. We'll figure it out. But trying to clean stuff up and get a little bit of extra money to do stuff. But at $112 for 3 hours worth of work wasn't really worth it.